Thinking about getting your first Sony camera, but don't want to drop thousands of dollars? You're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the best budget Sony cameras for beginners in 2025. Plus, a few affordable Sony lenses that'll make your shots look pro without breaking the bank. And hey, before we jump in, help me reach 250 subs. Every sub helps me make great gear guides just like this one. So why go with Sony in 2025? Sony's mirrorless lineup is known for insane autofocus, sharp color science, and video performance that's perfect for creators. And the best part? You can start small and build up, because all of Sony's E-mount lenses work across multiple camera models. First up, the Sony ZV-E10. This one's basically made for YouTubers and creators. You get a 24 megapixel sensor, 4K video, a fully articulating flip screen, and amazing real-time AI autofocus tracking. It doesn't have in-body stabilization, but pair it with Sony's 10 to 18mm f4 or the Sigma 16mm f1.4 and you'll get smooth, wide cinematic shots. Perfect for handheld vlogging. Next up, the Sony a6100. One of the best hybrid cameras for beginners. It shares the same sensor and autofocus system as Sony's high-end models, making it great for both photo and video. For the lenses, the Sony 50mm f1.8 is an incredible budget option for portraits. It gives you that creamy background blur that everyone loves. And if you're into everyday photography, the 18 to 105 f4 covers everything from wide to zoom. Now if you don't want to deal with lenses, check out the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. This compact point and shoot gives you built-in zoom lens, great low light performance, and all the YouTube-friendly features like background defocus and product showcase mode. It's small enough to throw in your pocket and powerful enough for travel vlogs, B-roll, or talking head videos just like this one. And for my bonus pick, the Sony a7C used. Now that newer full-frame models are out, you can find the original A7C for under $1,000 used. That's full frame image quality, great dynamic range, and crazy good autofocus in a compact body. Pair it with the Sony 28 to 60mm kit lens or the Tamron 28 to 75 f2.8. You'll have a pro level setup for both photos and video at a beginner friendly price. Here's the truth. The camera body is only half the story. A good lens and decent lighting will take your footage from okay to amazing. So if your budget is tight, buy a slightly cheaper camera and put that extra money toward a prime lens like the Sony 35mm f1.8. You'll thank me later. So to recap, go with the ZV-E10 if you want the best beginner-friendly hybrid setup. The a6100 if you're more into photography. The ZV-1 Mark II if you want a pocket-sized all-in-one, and the used A7C if you want to step into full frame on a budget. If this helped you figure out your next camera, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment with the Sony setup you're leaning toward. And don't forget, I'm aiming for 250 subs this month, so hit that subscribe button if you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.